students, I am your Komali ma'am. In this session, I am going to teach you an excellent trick. The trick is, if you see coordination complexes while finding the IUPAC nomenclature and while finding the oxidation state of central metal atom, you will come across through a situation where some ligands you can't say their oxidation number. Like if you see NO exists as NO plus NO also. So you have to substitute 0 oxidation state now or plus 1 oxidation state. And if you see O2, in case of O2, if O2 exists as O2, O2 minus 1, O2 minus 2. So which oxidation state you have to substitute? Minus 1 you have to substitute, or minus 2 you have to substitute, or neutral oxidation state you have to substitute. That also problem. So in this video what I am going to do is I am going to teach you super technique so that easily you will solve the questions. Watch this video up to the end. So many examples I am going to cover. If you cover these examples, that's it. You will from next time onwards you will search where is this example. Before you skip this, you will feel worry, but after watching this video you will be like where is this exceptional example, where is this difficult example. You will search and do it. Example number 1, FeH2O5NO-S44. Here I want to tell you some points, like if you observe NO exists as two forms. What are those two forms? NO plus and NO. In NO, oxidation state is 0. Here oxidation, there is charge on this NO, you have to substitute 0. If it is NO plus, you have to substitute the charge plus 1. So in this example, whether it is plus 1 na or it is 0 na, let us see. First, this is sulfate. Sulfate oxidation state is, the charge we have to take minus 2. If it is minus 2, then the charge on the complex will be plus 2. So I am removing this sulfate and I am keeping charge on the complex plus 2. Okay, and Fe plus sum of all oxidation states is equal to charge on the complex. So 5 water molecules plus NO, which is equal to, what is the charge on the complex, students? Plus 2. Because I removed SO4. And here water, if you see water, always water oxidation state, water is a neutral, again you have to substitute always 0, no charge. And if you see chlorides like Cl minus, Br minus, always minus 1. Those ligands are called as innocent ligands. Innocent ligand means their oxidation number, oxidation number in the sense less charge. Their charge is always same. But NO is non-innocent ligand, means we can't predict its oxidation number. I am using oxidation number, sorry, charge. We can't predict the charge on the molecule. Okay, now Fe, always water is 0, so 5 into 0 plus NO we don't know. NO we don't know. Normally I kept brackets, you can write without bracket. It is 0. So Fe plus NO is equal to plus 2 oxidation state. Now what I am going to do is I am going to take both the probabilities, like it can 0, substitute 0 in this place. Fe plus 0 is equal to plus 2. Means if you keep NO charge as 0, then ion we got plus 2. If we keep NO as NO plus, then we get Fe plus 1 is equal to plus 2. If it comes this side, plus 2 minus 1, then it will be plus 1. Then I want to say that Fe oxidation state will be plus 1 when NO is plus 1, correct? If you keep NO plus 1, you are getting Fe plus 1. So see the difference between the NO and Fe plus. Fe, NO, if you put plus 1, Fe you are getting plus 1. So the difference here is plus 1 minus plus 1. So it is 0. Here the difference is, charge difference is how much in this 2? 2 is the difference. Okay, here 2 is the difference, here 0 is the difference. Here the trick is less charge difference, then it will be more stable. So in this two, which is less charge difference is there, here less charge difference is there. So in this complex, this is called as Brown ring complex. In Brown ring complex, oxidation state of NO is +1, and most important, ion oxidation state is +1. Most important, this is a Brown ring complex. Now let us see the next example. Na2FeCN5NO. Again NO is there. So how to find it? Let us see this. 2 sodiums, 2 into Na plus Fe plus 5 into Cn plus NO. Total charge sum of all oxidation states is equal to 0. Sodium oxidation state is +1 plus Fe. These are always fixed. Each cyanide is always -1, so no confusion. Is it clear? Now just write +2 plus Fe minus 5 plus NO is equal to 0. Then Fe minus 5 plus 2 minus 3. If minus 3 come this side, it will be +3. Clear, students? Now again we got the Fe plus NO is equal to +3. Again two cases. It may be 0, it may be +1. Okay, let's keep 0 here. Let's treat NO as a neutral ligand. Then Fe, here if you keep 0, you get ion +3. When +3 you are getting Fe as a 0. This is one case. And another case, if you keep here +1. If you keep NO as an charge +1, you will get ion oxidation state +2. Now see the difference, students. 2 minus 1 is 1. And here the difference 3 minus 0 is 3. So where is less difference? In here less difference. Wherever less difference you are getting here, that is a oxidation state. Less charge difference less, then that oxidation state, I mean that particular charge we have to take. So more stability increases. Clear? Now here NO is acting as +1 and here oxidation state of ion is +2. Then the question will be asked you like sodium nitroprusside oxidation state of ion. Sometimes they don't mention you the complex also, directly they will tell you sodium nitroprusside. In that case, this will be helpful for you. So what is the sodium nitroprusside formula? Na2FeCN5NO. Let us see the next one. FeNO4, what is the oxidation state of ion in this example? So what you have to do is just take it out. Fe plus 4NO is equal to sum of oxidation state total is equal to charge on the complex. There is no charge on the complex. Then Fe, here 4 NOs. Let us treat each one is a neutral ligand. Then 4 into 0 is equal to 0, which is equal to ion is in 0 oxidation state when NO is 0. Charge, if you take 0, then oxidation state on the ion is 0. If you consider NO as positively charged ligand, so then +1, then we get ion as in -4. See here -4 oxidation state is not possible, and the difference also more. If you see here the difference is 0 only, and you can consider NO as a neutral ligand here. Clear? So in this example NO is a neutral ligand. See the next example, students. See next example, most interesting next example. O2 is present. So in this case, how to solve the question? ZnCN twice O2, because O2 it exists in 3 cases. See, O2 it can be a neutral molecule, or O2 it can be exist as superoxide, or O2 it can be exist as a peroxide. In this case, you have to take the zero charge. Here you have to take -1 charge, you have to take -2 charge. So in this 3, which one we have to substitute? One by one example we will see, I will guide you. Here most important thing I want to tell you, before NO place, there are two ways, correct? NO plus. And here you solved based upon charge difference. Charge difference less, less only, right? Less, I wrote less only. Yeah, correct. Charge difference less, then stability more. Let's see trick number 2. It is for O2. In case of O2, what we have to do is, these are 3 are the possibilities. Mostly you will get the question with respect to zinc. In a case of zinc and in case of cadmium, mercury. Zinc, cadmium, mercury, or palladium, platinum. These are the examples in which metal ions are in +2 oxidation state. When they are in +2 oxidation state, most of the cases their coordination number will be 4. So Zn +2, Pd +2, Pt +2, Cd +2, Hg +2, coordination number will be 4. And another important point I want to tell you, here I'll write trick number 2 continuation, another one, platinum in +4 state oxidation number and palladium +4. In this case, coordination number mostly we will see 6 is the coordination number. Okay. Now let us see here. I told you coordination number means around central metal atom how many ligands are present. In this case, how many ligands are present? 2 cyanides and 2 oxygens. Total coordination number is 4. So coordination number 4, in the sense zinc is in mostly +2 state. In such a way we have to solve the question. Let us see, because these are the exceptional and some kind of examples where some data is needed. Normally how we do, if you do, you can't solve it. Cn plus 2 into how many oxygen, students? 2 oxygen. Total charge is 0. So here Zn plus Cn always -1 is the oxidation state. Same oxidation state. Here O2 we don't know. Let us consider total sum is equal to 0. Now Zn plus 2 into O2 is equal to, if -2 come this side, it will be +2. Zinc we want in +2 oxidation state only. Why we want zinc in +2 oxidation state? Can you tell me? Because what is the technique? Zinc always in a coordination number 4, it is always in +2 state. Now to get this +2, it must be 0. So in this complex, it is a neutral one and its charge is 0. Clear? Everybody got the clarity? See the next question. So in this complex, in order to get +2 for the zinc, we should substitute 0. See the next question. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. See here. Pt plus O2, this is plus O2 plus 2 into ethylene diamine plus Br is equal to, what is the total charge? Students, tell me. +2. So we don't know what is the oxidation state. I mean, what is the charge on O2 molecule? Charge we don't know. Okay, charge. So 2 into ethylene diamine 0. It is a neutral molecule. Br always -1. See, these are list. You will get a list of ligands where this oxidation, charges, each total molecule charge. Okay, charges are always fixed. So you no need to worry for this. Only the problem is with these type of ligands you will be getting. Then what you get? Pt plus O2, which is equal to, if it this -1 come this side, this is +3. Here what I want to tell you is, if you observe the coordination number, En is a bidentate ligand, means 2 bidentate ligands, one bidentate ligand means 2 sides will be there. So here it is 2 donors are there, means 2 plus 2, 4. Coordination number here it is 4, it is 5, it is 6. Total coordination number 6. Coordination number 6. Before page I gave you. Platinum will be in +4 oxidation state. So this is the most important information you should know to solve this kind of questions. Okay, so here you have to keep what is the oxidation number minus, again I am telling oxidation number because oxidation number means for individual atom. Here for O2 we are considering, I should say charge. Okay, so total charge should be -1, then only we will be getting +4. So here it is a superoxide ion whose charge is -1. Here platinum charge or oxidation number in this complex will be +4. Got it? See the next one. 4 ammonias are there. So here ammonia is a 0 neutral ligand. Here also ammonia 0 neutral ligand. So what I am going to do is I am not going to write it in order to save the time. Directly I am going to write 2 COs are there. So 2 CO plus NH2 is there. NH2 plus O2. Total charge on the complex is +4. Clear everybody? Now 2 CO NH2 always -1. So plus O2 is equal to +4. Then 2 CO is equal plus O2 is equal to, if it comes this side it is +5. Now it is O2 exists in 3 forms. What are, it can be O2, it can be O2 minus, it can be O2 minus 2. Then which one you have to consider? Now let's take it as O2 only, 0. If you keep 0, then 2 COs is equal to +5. Then each CO will be +5 divided by 2 if it comes plus 2.5. So it cannot be fractional. So it is wrong. Next, -1 you keep here. If you keep -1, then if -1 comes this side, +1. 5 plus 1, it will be 6. So CO is equal to +6. Then CO will be equal to +6 divided by 2 is equal to +3. Is it clear, students? So this might be correct. Now let us see the next one. If you keep O2 place -2, then 2 CO is equal to +5 minus 2, it will be 3. Then each CO you will be getting, it is -2, no? If it comes this side +2, then 5 plus 2 will be equal to how much? It will be 7. Correct? 7 divided by 2 will be plus 3.5. So this is also not the possibility. Got the clarity? Then which one is the correct option? It can be CO is equal to -1. If -1 only, if you keep, it comes CO oxidation number +3. Here it is +3, here it is +3. In this complex, each O2, I mean only one O2 is there, it is -1. See this example. In this NO2 is there. What I want to tell you is NO2 exists in 2 forms. One is NO2 minus and another one is NO2 plus. With NO2 you don't get so much problem. It is very easy. What is that easy part is, see here, NaCl, you just remember. In NaCl, first while writing the complex, always first we write cation, then we write anion. So in this complex, this first one is cation and this is anion. So this this will be NO2 minus and it will be NO2, I mean this complex is having positive charge. That's it. How I solved it? First part is cation part, second part is anion part. So in this complex, while finding oxidation number, you have to substitute -1 for this. So that element plus 2 into each ethylene diamine is 0 oxidation state. I mean the charge is 0 and C2O4 is -2 is the charge, which plus NO2 is -1. Then total sum is equal to 0. Then that element oxidation number will be +3. In this way you have to solve. See the next question. 3 sodiums are there. 3 sodium, 3 Na. Each sodium is +1, always +1. No confusion. 6 into NO2. total sum is equal to 0. Whether NO2 is plus 1 or minus 1, how to solve? CO plus 6 into NO2 is equal to, if this plus 3 come this side, minus 3. Then 6 plus, if you consider it as minus 1 each, then 6 into minus 1 is minus 6, which is equal to minus 3. If it comes this side, the total sum will be equal to plus 3. If you consider here it is plus 1, then what you will be getting, students? 6 into plus 1 plus 6. If it comes this side, minus 6, and cobalt oxidation number you get in minus, which is absolutely wrong. Metal atom cannot be in its negative oxidation state. So in this, NO2 is having minus 1 charge. Clear? Got the clarity? Now, I am going to teach you 3 most dangerous examples. These examples you have to keep in your mind. In that, example number 1 is Na3FeCN5NO. In this, and K3FeCN5NO. In these 2 examples, NO is neutral ligand. Neutral. You can't apply any logics or any techniques while solving. Repeat the examples one more time. Na3FeCN5NO and one more is K3FeCN5NO. These 2 are the most important examples. This is 0. Then find it. How you will find? 3 into each sodium is plus 1 plus ion. Each cyanide is minus 1. So it is 0. Total sum is equal to, total sum is equal to 0. Then Fe plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2. If it comes this side, plus 2. Oxidation state of ion in this complex is plus 2. That's it. This example you have to remember, and same way this example also, 3 into plus 1 plus Fe plus 5 into each cyanide is minus 1. You have to consider as neutral ligand. Then Fe is equal to plus 2. So in this example also, ion is in plus 2 oxidation state. Next, most important, most dangerous example you have to remember is K2Cr Cn twice O2. Here oxygen, this is oxide ion, oxide, minus 2 each oxygen. No problem with this oxygen. Normally it is minus 2 only. Only problem is with this O2. So how to do? 2 potassiums, each potassium plus 1 plus Cr plus each cyanide is minus 1. So no problem. Oxygen will be, each oxygen is minus 2, no problem. And this is only problem, very, very important. In this complex, it is present as a peroxide. O2 charge is minus 2. Total O2 charge is minus 2. Important, you have to remember this. Plus ammonia, which is equal to 0. Then plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Then you will be getting Cr, and 2 2s are 4, and here minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Ammonia is 0, neutral ligand. Then it is, in this complex, chromium oxidation state is plus 6. Here it is plus 6. Clear? I'll give you one, take this screenshot. I'll give you one example as a homework for you. Write that example. K2 Zn Cn twice O2 twice. I want you to, one second, I'll check that example, correct. I want you to find the charge on this complex. Let's see, in this coordination number is 4. Coordination number is 4 for zinc, means it will be in a plus 2 state. This is the technique as I told you. So to get that plus 2 oxidation state, how much you have to consider this O2? Find that potassium is plus 1. Try this question and send me your answer in a comment section. Try that and let me know how is this video, because this is the best video to eliminate all the tension while finding the metal ion oxidation number, because normal examples any one of you can do, but these kind of examples will trouble you when you are solving. That's why I made this video. Like this, so many techniques I discussed in our channel. Just if you are watching for the first time, subscribe to Komali ma'am channel, and many videos are there. Go through all those videos and just hit on a like, which encourages me to do more and more videos for you. My name is Komali. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next video. Bye, love you.